Okay, everyone, let's get this started. So I am also watching Cinderella. If anyone has watched that movie on Amazon, it looked like it's pretty good. So I'm watching it while I fix this. So what this is called a swarmy. You would put it in in pita. I think it's a Eastern dish. I'm trying. No, I'm messing it up. But you guys, when I look at the thing, I'll put it in the video so you know exactly what it is. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these portobello mushrooms right here, and we are going to lather them up with olive oil. Okay, that's the first step. Oops, I think I'm missing a light here. Hold on, guys. I have two lights when I do this. For those who want to do this in the kitchen kind of stuff, I have an old cell phone that's overhead. That light, and then I also have my light that I had purchased just for making videos. So we are gonna do these babies like that. Give them a little love. Love, love, love you. Please taste good when I finish. That would be great. We're gonna, first thing, you gotta cut these off. I'm sorry. That's the first step. Without cutting your feet. Oops, excuse me. I got oil on my hands. There we go. And here's the other one. This is from the Wicked Chef. He really made good looking food. But like I said in the last video, you don't get the specific amount of ingredients. And I think, and sorry for stuttering like that. I think that's because they want you to go over to their site and purchase their something, which is only fair because I mean everybody want to make money. They use YouTube as a it's a way to make money, to pull more people in, and I'm not mad at that. You know, if I was wanting to make money, I would do the same thing, and I probably will. Oops, just killed it. Probably will do the same thing when I get my other channel up and going. So at this point, we've got everything lathered up. We are going to use a skillet. So I have two skillets, and I think this is the best one to use. I'm going to lather that up with some olive oil too. Now, okay, I'm going to put this on the stove. Washing my hands again. Okay, so at this point, we are going to mix some ingredients, which is, all the ingredients is cumin, paprika, I don't have any mint, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, and it's not smoked paprika, but plain green onion, granulated onions, I don't use that. Sea salt, pepper, dry ginger, and mix it together and apply it on this. And at this point, let's do all that. Let's mix everything up here. So I'm not going to put all this in it because this is ginger, and we know how that much ginger, that should be enough. This one here is probably cinnamon. Yep, this is cinnamon. That's pretty strong. This is one of them. Maybe the cumin, because I'm not familiar with the smell. Let's just put it all in there. But I just won't put all the pepper in there. This one is something, one of those spices that I told you. The hot stuff is what I'm going to be careful with. This is the cayenne pepper. I'm not going to put too much in there. Regular pepper. and some salt. And a little bit of this hinge, which would be my onion or garlic. We're going to mix this up. You can use a spoon and mix all this up. And lather. Let's lather this in. I hope it has enough oil on it, because what we're going to do is get the water out of it. So he said make sure it's a lot. Heavily, not heavenly, heavily. Put a lot. How's that? For those of us who have speech impediments, let's just put a lot. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Okay. And put some on this side. I think I might need some more oil. Okay, you guys. So this is what we have. This is what we have. This is what it looked like. This is the result. Whichever one sounds best to your ears. And I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, so I am going to go over to the stove and I'll show you what this looks like, what we're going to do now. Okay, so at this point, this is what I am told to do. I will take the mushroom and put olive oil down there like I did on this pan here. And just for me, I'm going to spread it because it's a little uneven. My eyes, stove eyes, is just weird. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. And then, hope it's warm enough. I'm going to put that on there. Don't smash it down. And the goal here is to get it flat. His looked like it was flat as a maybe bagel or thin bagel. So we take this other skillet and put it on top. And this is to help get the water out. I've never done this before. And this is a slow way of doing it. So I will come back, and I have to cut the fan on, he said. So I will come back and show you guys another part of this. I had to change my battery, so let's see what this looks like now. Still got a lot of water there. You can see. I'm going to turn them one more time. Well, he said, are the water almost gone? I think mine might be okay because my eye is a little lopsided. Oh, I'm sorry. You can't even hear me. So I'm going to put this back on here. And I'm to press it. I think mine's are pretty much over. It's like an 8-minute process totally. And I don't see that much steam coming up. So I am going to cut my eye off and we will start the next process. With all the seasoning on it. Okay. I'll give you guys a close-up look. You know, you like and say, oh my goodness, it's burnt. Not burnt at all. So it's just very, very thin. And I am to take this and to slice it very thinly. I'm not sure which knife, so I'm just going as I go. I think this might be it. Let's see, not quite sure. That's my sharpest knife. Yeah, I think that one is it. Sorry for all the noise. but to slice it very thin. And all that flavor and seasoning is on it. I mean, this is thin as I can get it. I don't think this is the sharpest knife I have. My goodness. Okay, this is the one. I didn't even try that one. But I'm at the end. It's moving. Okay. No, that looks bad. Okay. That tastes really good. Oops. Sorry, y'all. That's really good. You know, the thought of putting cinnamon and all those flavors in there, you would think, oh, that doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is take some of this and put it on this flour tortilla. And I'll probably save this maybe for tomorrow. If I'm not too greedy, I might eat it today. And at this point, hold on. I'm definitely thinking about getting a board to put over my sink so I can have enough room. Take this here. On Sunday, I went over a sister's house in my spiritual community. She made this beautiful meal and she gave me some to bring home. So this is the salad. I don't have any tomatoes and all this stuff, but like the guy said, you know, make it as you go. And so the sauce for this was supposed to be mint or cucumber and yogurt, a little bit of garlic and a little bit of lemon zest. So I don't have that. So sorry, that's my instructions, my directions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I have a little bit of lime here. I have some yogurt. Probably should put it in a bigger bowl. I have some yogurt. But I do have, you guys, that is so good. Oh my goodness, he might be the winner. Do have some lemon pepper. And I'm going to put that on there. Yes, my hands is a mess. As always, forgive me. And a little bit of salt. I think I'm going to keep my salt in here because it's a lot easier to maneuver. Stir this up. I don't have any mint, but I'm pretty sure this is going to taste good. And let me wash my hands for you guys because I know it's killing you guys. It's killing me because I know how it's going to look on the camera. So we have our strips here, and I have my leftover meal, and I'm going to just put, so this would be a fajita in a pita pocket. I'm going to put what she had in her salad here, and there's a cucumber. Yay, I got some of it. And her salad was really delicious. I'm a slow eater, and I have to be very careful when I eat. And I'm going to take some of the spinach, because I have been to the hospital 2 times because I have choked. Either I was too hungry. One, I was too hungry and I ate too fast and got an apple stuck in my throat, and they had to put me to sleep to take it out. Or the other one was, I think I told you guys long ago, trying to take one of those cold pills a long time ago, while copying my husband, and it got stuck in my throat, and I had to sit there, and since it was dissolved kind, you know, they prefer you to let it dissolve instead of going and doing something. And I think that's why my throat is always getting hoarse now. I never can wait. Sorry. Okay, I'm doing this yogurt, and it needs a little bit more salt on there. Maybe a little bit more pepper. And I'm going to see how this tastes. Take a look at that. How beautiful is that? I'm going to bring you down just a little bit. There we go. How beautiful is that? Okay, you guys, I'm right here. It looks so good. Thank you, my sister, for giving me some meal. I still have more, and I took some to work today, and I'm going to take the rice tomorrow and beans again. So let's see. This is good. Really, really good. If I had the mint, I'm pretty sure it'd be nice and cool. This is good enough for me. I tell you, the strips, it's delicious. You know what? I'm not gonna save it. Hold on. As I want, oh, that do look like a lot. I'm gonna add just a little bit more to make it a little bit more hearty. Maybe I just use all this up. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. This is really good, the mushroom. It is soft. It is so good. Okay, that's it for this. I'm gonna do the I may not even show you guys the tofu. You guys know how tofu is. It's just take some olive oil, your favorite season, slice the tofu down, put it in the oven, and then use it for later on during the week. I'll see you guys till next time. Try to eat as clean as you can. If it's nothing but once a month, give your belly a break. Love you guys. Bye bye.